So we've got a ton more stuff done on the G-Wagen, and it is starting to come together and look awesome. Let me show you guys what we did. First up, you can see we got the new wheels and tires on there. They're back from the guys at Alloy Wheel Repair. So we got the new rubber, freshly painted wheels. I did the black lug bolts, so those look good. Everything on that is completely done. Tire swing still there. We did some touch-ups on that, so it looks real clean. Pulled out the taillights because we got those repainted, so we got to rewire those back in there. But you can see here we did the side moldings and the lower step. That's all done with the same truck bed liner that we used, the Rust-Oleum. So that's turned out really, really nice. And we've got that all the way to the front. But what is super cool is the front end is finally coming together. You can see we got the bumper on, we got the grill, headlight covers, as well as the grills that we ordered. So front end is coming together awesome. Just got a couple more little things to do. I redid the insert in here. So this is nice texture black to match everything. And then did some touch-ups on there. And you can see over here, we got the gas can and the mount done. So this is all wired up and it's plugged in. So this light should work. Got the German license plate that's going to be going there. And we're rewiring the taillights because we had to cut those big harnesses to get those things out. So once we finish those on either side, then we have the little tiny blinker lights. We could put on the whole rear bumper back in place. We did a respray today on the hood, give another coat, just had to even some stuff out. What I'm really excited is I got the light grills put on. The matching door handles are on, but even better, we got the whole inside put together. Should have the seats tomorrow. So pretty excited to see how those turn out. So the original seats were a army green color and they're like a vinyl, but they had some tears and some rips and whatnot. And we couldn't just get a patch and it wouldn't look good if we just did some, stitched it up or whatnot. So we wanted to redo the entire seats. Unfortunately, getting that army vinyl green exact match that was in there was impossible. So we did all 4 seats and we have a new color. It's kind of like a more foresty green that's going to really offset the interior. So let me show these to you. So here they are, they're wrapped in plastic. We're going to take this off so we can see how cool this green looks. I did paint the bases black because they were just a little bit old and wore out. Gonna open these up and see how good this new seat looks. So there's a completely redone seat. It's got all new foam in it. You can see we did some nice brown stitching. Yeah, the seats turned out awesome. See how they look inside the car. Back and now all the seats are in and they look perfect. Here you can see the front seats looking good right there. Nice and clean. We just got to put the top on. Here's another view of the seats here. The green is definitely brighter, but it's super cool. All new foam, wood base, repainted the bottom black. So we did a lot of work today and made some huge progress. We're almost to the finish line. Just got that final touch in there. The shovel fits in there. This is the Lowe's purchase, $22 instead of the $200 original ones. Got to make a mount that just sets it off real nice. So we got a lot done today. It is 95% complete. So all we got to do is finish those last couple bits and then this thing will be fully completed. Just got the final piece to the puzzle. My guy Ray got the custom wood center console. Let's check this out. This is gonna go right in front of the shifter. Man, I think you did a good job. That's gonna look good. I like it. Cup holders, little slats to put your stuff on, and the speakers will mount right in front of it. Now we just got to get that stained up, and that's the last piece of the puzzle. You did good.
I've got some stain, and since it's not going to be directly next to it, we should have a color that's pretty close. So we're using this Colonial Maple. So I'm going to clean it off with this alcohol, wipe it down, and then stain it so we can see how it looks. Currently staining away, just trying to get as much coverage on this as we can so it soaks in. So color should match pretty good, and it'll be nice contrast up front there.
There it is. There's got to be a couple hundred man hours in there of painting it, cleaning it, doing the seats, doing the interior, doing the engine bay, and everything that was involved. And I'm so pumped on how this thing looks. It came out amazing. Thanks to the guys at AutoZentrum right there for actually selling me the car and helping me get this shipped over from Germany. Thanks for sending me the cool German license plate. That was the ultimate touch. Big thank you to Ron for helping with almost everything to do with the project on this. So what's next? We got to go get the title. Like I said, all the paperwork's in order. So I got to take it down there, get a VIN inspection to get the title. And then the thing is official. And then we're going to take it out for a little drive and just cruise it and make sure it looks like it needs to look and everything functions as it should. And it should. And it's time to put it up for sale.